So, sa ika-12 na problem, determine the volume of the solid obtained by rotating the region bounded by 2y squared plus x plus 3 is equal to 0 and x plus 5 is equal to 0 about the line A, x minus 4 and B, x plus 9. So, yung given natin, gawin muna natin yung A. So, 12 and letter A. So, given, we have 2y squared plus x plus 3 is equal to 0 and x plus 5 is equal to 0. So, dito sa first part ng solution natin, i-analyze muna natin yung equation na to. So, let's write it. 2y squared is equal to plus x plus 3 is equal to 0. So, evaluate natin siya sa y. So, magiging 2y squared is equal to negative x minus 3. So, 2y squared is equal to, labas natin yung negative, magiging x plus 3. So, dito sa nakuha natin equation, makikita natin ng problem ay isa ng parabola. So, try na natin siyang graph. So, in this part nga, makikita natin na isa na siyang parabola. So, since negative yung andito, malalaman natin na yung parabola is opening sa left. So, para makuha natin yung vertex ng parabola, we have to determine the h and k. So, dito sa problem natin, makikita natin na walang katabi yung y squared natin. So, 2y squared. So, magiging y function natin dito is 0. And then, dito naman sa kabila, x plus 3, yung magiging x natin dito is negative 3. So, ang ating vertex ay dito na part. So, negative, let's assume that this is negative 3. So, yung vertex natin is negative 3 and 0. So, try natin i-draw. Vertex, negative 3 and 0. So, kung i-draw natin yung parabola, magiging ganito siya. And then, yung equation natin dito sa taas, x plus 5 is equal to 0. I-equate natin yung 5 sa kabila. So, magiging x is equal to negative 5. So, ito yung isang intersecting line dito na part. So, let's assume na this is negative 5. So, since dun sa A natin is, mag-rotate siya about, so A, mag-rotate siya about x minus 4. So, equate natin siya sa 0. So, ang x natin dito is positive 4. So, dito naman siya. So, dito natin i-rotate itong bounded area na nakuha natin between the intersecting points. So, ganito yung kalalabasan ng graph kung i-rotate natin siya about x is equal to 4. So, i-drawing natin siya. Magiging, so let's say this is x is equal to 4. And then, ganyan siya. Dito naman sa kabila. So, maglalagay tayo dito ng this. Since yung Washer's method ang ating gagamitin na formula. So, ito yung kukunin nating volume. So, x equal to 4 and this one is x is equal to negative 5. So, may nakalimutan pala ako dito. Para hindi natin basta-basta ma-identify itong intersecting point nito at saka dito. So, we need to find it first. So, 2y squared is equal to negative x plus 3 where x is equal to negative 5 since given naman siya dito. So, 2y squared is equal to negative times negative 5 plus 3. So, 2y squared is equal to 2. Divide both sides by 2, magiging y squared is equal to 1. So, square root both sides of the equation, magiging y is equal to positive and negative 1. So, yung ordered pair natin ay negative 5 and 1 and negative 5 and negative 1. So, dito na part is, dito na point na to is negative 5 and negative 1. At dito naman sa taas is negative 5 and 1. So, in finding the volume of the bounded region, we have the formula V is equal to pi times the integral of r squared dy from C to D. So, equal siya. Since dito sa nakuha nating solid, ma-identify natin yung R natin, yung big R natin as dito na part. From this part to this part is the big R. And then from dito naman up to dito is yung small r. So, isasubtract natin yung big R sa small r. So, pi times the integral of r squared minus r squared dy from C to D. So, para makuha natin yung r squared natin, we need to subtract negative 5 from 4 since ito yung big R natin. So, r is equal to 4 minus negative 5. So, ang kalalabasan niya is 9. So, since r squared to, ang value ng r squared ay 81. And para sa r naman natin, we have, so the small r is 4 minus x. So, kunin natin muna yung value ng x. So, 2y squared is equal to negative x minus 3. So, ang makuha nating x dito is equal to negative 2y squared minus 3. So, yung r natin ngayon ay 4 minus negative 2y squared minus 3. And then, simplify pa natin. Magiging 4. So, 4 plus 2y squared plus 3. So, magiging 7 plus 2y squared. So, ang i-square din natin siya. So, r squared is equal to 49 plus 28y squared plus 4y raised to 4. So, since nakuha na natin yung r squared, yung big radius r squared and small r squared, isa-substitute na natin siya dito sa formula natin. So, lagay ko dito sa taas. So, V is equal to, sulat ko lang ulit yung formula, which is pi times the integral of 81 minus 49 plus 28y squared plus 4y raised to 4 dy from negative 1 to 1. So, pi times the integral of, i-simplify lang natin yung andito sa taas. So, magiging 32 minus 28y squared minus 4y raised to 4 dy from negative 1 to 1. So, dito, i-integrate na natin siya. So, pi times 32y minus 28y cubed all over 3 minus 4y raised to 5 all over 5 bounded from negative 1 to 1. So, i-substitute na lang natin siya para makuha natin yung final answer. So, pi times 32 times 1 minus 28 1 cube all over 3 minus 4 1 raised to 5 all over 5 minus 32 minus 32 times negative 1 minus 28 times negative 1 cube all over 3 minus 4 times negative 1 raised to 5 all over 5. So, kapag in-input natin siya sa calculator, we will have the final answer for letter A, which is 656 pi all over 15, or 137.39 cubic units. So, i-verify or i-double check natin siya sa calculator. So, input natin yung value na to. So, shift pi is the integral of 32 minus 28 squared x squared minus 4 alpha x raised to 4, bounded from negative 1 to 1. So, ayan po siya, parehas pa yung lumabas na answer. So, ito po yung final answer natin for letter A sa number 12. So, sa letter B natin, ang mag-iiba lang ay yung kanyang rotation. So, magro-rotate siya about x plus 9 is equal to 0. So, ang x natin dito ay negative 9. So, i-graph ulit natin siya. So, dito, let's imagine na dito si negative 9. Dito naman si negative 5. So, i-drawing natin yung ating parabola. So, ganito siya. And dito naman yung x is equal to 9. So, x is equal to negative 9 and x is equal to negative 5. So, ganito yung kalalabasan ng kanyang rotation if i-rotate natin siya about x plus 9. So, graph lang natin siya. So, andito yung, so let's imagine na ito yung x is equal to negative 9. And then, dito yung parabola natin, original parabola natin. And then, i-rotate natin siya along x is equal to 9. So, yung bounded region natin, dito na part, dito na part. So, ang kukunin nating volume ay itong dalawang side nito. So, yung R natin, small r natin is dito, and then yung big R naman natin ay andito. So, since yun din yung gagamitin nating formula para makuha yung volume nito. So, the formula for the volume is pi times the integral of r squared dy from C to D. So, is equal to pi times the integral of r squared minus r squared dy from C to D. So, para makuha natin yung value ng r dito, isa-subtract natin yung equation, yung nakuha nating equation kanina, which is, so, para makuha natin yung r, so, r is equal to negative 2y squared minus 3 minus negative 9. So, isa-subtract natin yung negative 9 sa kanya. So, r squared is equal to negative 2y squared plus 6 squared, which is equal to 4y raised to 4 minus 24y squared plus 36. So, para sa small r naman natin, we have to subtract negative 5 doon sa, we have to subtract negative 9 doon sa negative 5. So, negative 5 minus negative 9, which is equal to 4. So, squared natin siya, magiging, yung r squared natin is magiging 16. And then, dun sa volume, substitute na lang natin siya sa ating main formula. So, volume is equal to pi times the integral of 4y raised to 4 minus 24y squared plus 36 minus 16 dy from negative 1 to 1. So, simplify lang natin siya. Magiging pi times the integral of 4y raised to 4 minus 24y squared plus 20 dy from negative 1 to 1. So, integrate na natin tong part na to. Magiging pi times 4y raised to 5 all over 5 minus 24y cubed all over 3 plus 20y bounded from negative 1 to 1. So, substitute na lang natin siya para makuha yung final answer. So, it's equal to, makukuha nating sagot dito. So, substitute ko muna bago ko i-calculate. So, pi times 4 times 1 raised to 5 all over 5 minus 24 times 1 raised to 3 all over 3 plus 20 times 1 minus 4 times negative 1 raised to 5 all over 5 minus 24 times negative 1 cube all over 3 plus 20 times negative 1. So, ang makukuha nating final answer dito is 128 all over 5 pi or 80.42 cubic units. So, kung double check natin yung sagot, i-input lang natin tong value na to sa calculator. So, pi So, na-confirm po natin ang ating sagot. So, ito yung volume ng ating letter B.